Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. Today we're going to be making a stretchy mozzarella. You refrigerate it, it becomes burrata in my opinion. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 2 cups of water. You're going to nuke that for a couple minutes and get it nice and warm. Grab your raw cashews. You're going to want a half a cup of that. Throw them in the hot water and get them soaking. You want to do this for at least 30 minutes, as long as possible if you can. Recipe is going to call for 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Use a real lemon. You're going to want the measurement to be exact, so do it over a drinking cup so you don't waste any juice. Once you grab your 1 tablespoon, you can add a little ice water and voila, stay hydrated. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 1/3 cup of fresh water, a half teaspoon of salt. Next, grab some tapioca starch. You're going to want 4 tablespoons of this. You're going to throw all these things into a small single serving size blender. If you do not do that, there will not be enough blade contact with the cashews and you will end up with a chunky mixture. What you want is something like this that looks basically like milk. You're going to throw it into a medium heated skillet. You're going to start stirring it around. It's going to be milky, and then it's going to start curdling, and then magically it's just going to become this smooth, delicious mixture that we call mozzarella cheese. What you do next is up to you. You can use this on pizza. This particular night I used it on a tofu chicken parm. You can use it on grilled cheese sandwiches. Throw the rest in a refrigerator and shape it into a ball. Boom, burrata. Thug Kitchen 101. This book is awesome. I'm going to be giving away a copy at the 500 subscriber mark. So comment below, tell me if you want this book, tell me if I did anything wrong, tell me if you made this recipe and you liked it or not. Let me know if you would like to see a video on the chicken tofu parm. It was delicious, it was crispy, it was melty, it was everything that you could ever ask for. Again, like and subscribe and stay with me. We're going to do a lot of these videos and we're going to get better as we go. Thanks y'all.